Hello, guys. This is your BIOL instructor, Victor Garcia. I hope you are dealing well. You are doing great during this outbreak caused by the coronavirus. I know this situation, it could be overwhelming, but we have to continue our with our lives. We're gonna going through this outbreak for sure, and I know it could be difficult, it could be overwhelming, it could be challenging, but uh, it's gonna be better if you readapt your time in order to get every single thing back to the normal. Uh, Going back to the normality in this period is gonna be better for your physical health and for your mental health. Guys, again, this period it could be overwhelming, but we're gonna be through this. We're gonna be successful after this, and take care, guys. Stay safe at home. Wash your hands and avoid direct contact with people. Keep the social distancing. Those are our best weapons against this virus. Okay, we're gonna explain some things about the turning the fully online course. It's gonna be our new modality. uh, and this is your instructions. It says in your announcement, it says go to content in your D2L and open the first link. There are going to be the instructions for the online course. Then we're going to content, and our first link, it says instructions for your online course, and this is going to be your file. It's a Word document. We're going to read together. Please, guys, read this document until the end. Again, I hope you are safe and healthy at home. The course is going to be fully online since we can't go to the facilities, and I'm sending for that purpose. I'm sending the new schedule for Biology 2042. It would be 6 more weeks from April the 13th to May the 22nd. However, I recommend you, strongly recommend to to search some things since you have the material uploaded uh, from this date. And it could be a good way to take advantage of this time at home. The material is going to be available, but we're going to work on exams and evaluations from this period, April the 13th until May the 22nd. Again, be wise, be smart, and avoid procrastination. Guys, before starting, try to locate yourself in a space in your home or else where you are, where you have the necessary internet connection and where you can focus on your work with Biology 24/2. As much as possible, try to establish discipline in your queries to D2L. If you had classes on Mondays and Wednesdays during the morning, try to do that. If you had classes during Tuesdays and Thursdays nights, try to do that. If you were in the hybrid classes on Fridays, try to do that. But it's up to you. You're gonna have enough time, weekly time, to access every single resources, and every single test. This online modality is planned to be completed in 6 weeks. Again, be smart. It's going to be on your own pace. But if you have more than 6 weeks, actually you have more than 6 weeks, since you can consult or going to the homeworks anytime you have. It's going to be better if you access that homework and materials before. The 100 online modality requires students access your D2L as frequently as possible. The ideal thing is going to be 3 to 6 hours, 3 to 6 times per week. And you're going to be using the sections content, as you know, grades, assignments, quizzes, and maybe this is going to be a no one email or discussions. If you have any questions, doubts, or suggestions, please write here in the email or discussions. I'm going to answer you as soon as possible. And if you need some IT support, please consult VLAC. For every chapter, this is my suggestion. Number 1 is going to be reading your PowerPoint presentation. Number 2, solve the exercise. Number 3, solve the lecture exam after these 2 things. Again, your lecture exam is going to be available after April the 13th. For your exercise in the lab manual, read your lab manual exercise and as an overview. Solve the lab manual exercise in the actual paper as usual. For that purpose, you can use any resource you have available, the BLC slides or your textbooks or Google, even your cell phone to get YouTube videos uploaded in each chapter. Take pictures of your lab assignments and build your PowerPoint presentation as usual in labs. And for the lab practical, we're going to use labeling and questions from your lab manual, your textbooks, and Biology Learning Center slides. These will be your resources for the exam. The other half for your lab practical grades is going to be a lab practical quiz, multiple choice. You have only one attempt. Again, 50 questions for 5 minutes. We're not using the lockdown browser for the lab practical. And at the end, we're going to have 5 extra credit points. When I tell you, you have to take a capture of your course evaluation. You're going to be in your My Lone Star, then you're going to pick your red tag for students, manage classes, and then course evaluation. When you finish your evaluation, you're going to take a capture and drop it in the Dropbox as usual. I'm not be able to see this evaluation until July 2020. Then this opinion, your fair opinion, shouldn't affect your grade. And the last page is going to be your schedule. Again, from today, March the 23rd, until April the 12th, please be wise. Take advantage of your time. Be smart. Avoid procrastination. Then you have here your first exam is going to be lab practical. The second is going to be including chapters 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And your next exam after that is going to be your lecture exam. This is going to include only chapters 20 and 21, which is urinary systems and water balance. After that, we're going to have the lecture exam number 4. It's going to be only 2 chapters, 17 and 18, which are the reproductive system and nutrition. It's going to be digestive and nutrition, these 2 chapters. And the next exam is going to be lab practical number 3, exercise 14 to 17, and the final exam, which is comprehensive. This is your new schedule, guys. We're going to see then some things around content. You can go to this final thing, exam 3 online. It says mandatory. This one is non-mandatory at all. This one in line is going to be your chapter number 20 and chapter number 21 this week. Then the first thing to do is going to be read chapter 20, urinary system PowerPoint. After that, you can solve the exercise for chapter 20. After that, you're going to solve this homework quiz. You have 10 attempts available for this one. You can look for an A as many times as you can before, if it's less than 10 times. And you can solve the lab 12 exercise urinalysis. For chapter 21, you have the PowerPoint presentation and the homework quiz and the lab exercise for electrolytes. Regarding your quizzes or exams, you're going to have your quizzes in this part going down. Then you have the homework quiz available here, and you're going to see the lab practical and the lecture exam when they are available in this section. And the new section is going to be the discussion. You can ask here in the general discussion any question, please, any question or suggestion or doubt you have. Okay, guys, please, again, if you need anything, let me know. If you are sick or you are overwhelmed with the online course, let me know. Maybe not in discussion, maybe in an email. I'm gonna contact you as soon as possible. Take care, guys. Be safe, wash your hands, and stay at home. Please take care of you and your family.